Ah, bien.
What did he say?
Sí, bien.
Bien. Alright, cool. We got that. All right, now we got Jose. Jose got some neck pain, low back pain.
Oh.
Good. Mucho tres.
Kick pain. Get well at the Miami Spine Clinic.
All right, now we got Jose. Jose got some neck pain, low back pain. Let's see. Just relax on me, Jose.
Oh.
Alright, just relax on me, Jose. There we go. Good. Alright, let's see. How you feeling? How's the neck feel now?
¿Cómo te sientes?
Mejor.
Mejor? Jose had some pain all over, so we're also gonna check out his mid back. Slide down for me, Jose. Come down. There we go. And go like this. Just relax. Okay.
Oh. Mucho estrés.
Mucho tres. Come on up. He also said he has some pain around his shoulders, so we're gonna mobilize these joints. Just relax on me. Just relax, just relax.
Relájate.
Ya.
Ah. Just relax. There we go. Sure. Good. Okay, stand up. And how do you feel?
¿Cómo te sientes?
Ah, bien.
Stop. What did he say?
Sí, bien.
Yeah. All right, cool. We got that.